Hello everybody, Mitch from Citywide Supply and Service. Today we're working on the south side of Chicago at the Hellman's manufacturing plant, also known as Unilever. This is a automation control panel for a conveyor line. I believe that just moves a filled bottle. It's also an x-ray machine. So what we're going to do is the PM, they shut the plant down for a week. We got 60, this is one of 65 units. Take a look in here to see that we've got a Cat 5 system that's all automated at a computer. They can see anything goes wrong with the cooling side of the system or the mechanical conveyor system. Basically what we're going to be doing, we have an issue with this one. This one is not operating, and we believe it may be an ice cube relay. If you look over here, take a look inside here and you'll see some of the relays that control the system. Then we have an automation system down here that's part of the conveyor system. The left side is 72. Rockwell PowerFlex control is for the cooling and x-ray system, and this is redundant backup. So we're going to get to work. Thanks.